Good day everyone, I am Trisha Aya and today I am going to solve a problem about the soil compaction. So we have here, the maximum and minimum dry unit weights of a sand were determined in the laboratory to be 20.51 kilonewton per cubic meter and 17.55 kilonewton per cubic meter respectively. So first we need to find the relative compaction in the field if the relative density is 74%. Second is to find the dry unit weight in the field. And lastly is to find the moist unit weight in the field if its moisture content is 38%. So, natay given ari nga So, ang ato given ani nga problem is gamma dry maximum, which is equals to 20.51 kilonewton per cubic meter. And our gamma dry minimum is 17.55 kilonewton per cubic meter. So for the first question is to find the relative compaction. So unsa man to ang ato ang formula? So ang formula sa relative compaction is R is equals to R sub O over 1 minus dr or the relative density times 1 minus R sub O. Since wala man tay value sa R sub O, mangita os ato sa siya i-solve. So ang formula sa R sub O is gamma dry minimum all over gamma dry maximum. So substitute since given naman siya, so 17.55 all over 20.51. So if ato ni siya i-input sa calculator, natay result nga R sub O is equals to 0.8557. Since naram tay value sa R sub O, then given sa dang atong relative density ari nga 74%, so ato na ni siya i-substitute ani nga formula para makuha na to ang relative compaction. So R is equals to ato R sub O is equals to 0.8557 all over. So 1 minus ang ato relative density which is 74%. So 0.74 times 1 minus the R sub O. R sub O which is again 0.8557. So our relative density, relative compaction is resulta of 0.958. Since this is in terms of percent, so 95.8%. So nakuha na nato ang first question, which is to find the relative compaction. So next, So next is to find the dry unit weight in the field. Since naman tay given nga gamma dry maximum which is 20.51, so pwede nato gamiton usab ang formula sa relative compaction which is R is equals to gamma dry field over gamma dry maximum. So substitute our relative compaction is again 0.958. So our gamma dry field is unknown. And our gamma dry maximum is 20.51. So makuha na nato ang dry unit weight in the field. So our dry unit weight in the field is equals to 20.20 kilonewton per cubic meter. So nanatay answer sa second question. And lastly, sa last question, we need to find the most moist unit weight in the field. So natay given ari nga moisture content which is 38%. So to find that, we will use this formula. So gamma field is equals to gamma dry sa field times 1 plus the moisture content. So substitute, nakuha naman na to ang gamma dry field which is 20.20. So natay 20.20 ari times 1 plus again given sa question ang value sa moisture content which is 38%, so 0.38. So makuha na nato ang moist unit weight in the field. So ang answer ani is 27.88 kilonewton per cubic meter. So nakuha na nato ang mga answers. Sa first, the relative compaction is equals to 0.958 or 95.8%. Sa second, which is the dry unit weight, we have the value of 20.20 kilonewton per cubic meter. And lastly, for the moist unit weight, we have a value of 27.88 kilonewton per cubic meter. So that's all for this sample problem about soil compaction.